Got back into Cairo late last night, up early again to do one more tour. Today's going actually inside the pyramid and then down to Memphis and Saqqara, which will be pretty cool. Yeah, it's my Airbnb last night. It's in a pretty rough area, to be honest. But the view is amazing from the apartment. It's on the 9th floor. The balcony view is to die for. And hopefully we can see the light show tonight on the pyramids from my balcony and show you guys, because it's supposed to be amazing. So, well, let's get started with the day. I'm just waiting for my tour guide to pick me up and let's go. So I just got back to the pyramids for my second time to visit, because we're actually going inside it today. The weather isn't too great. I'm not sure if you can see behind me, but there's fog everywhere. You can sort of see the pyramids a little bit in the background, but it's just so foggy, which is a bit of a bummer. But as you can see from the previous videos, I managed to come. When I came here last time, I got some good shots with some nice weather, so it's not all bad. Get to experience the pyramids in a sort of different light. Should be pretty cool and mystical. Anyway, let's go in. So guide was telling me that days like this, like all this fog, don't happen often in Cairo, like maybe 3 or 4 times a year. Should be interesting. Oh, here we go, inside the Great Pyramid. Wow, oh my god, no way, this is so crazy. This is so awesome. Whoa. That is a tight fit. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna get a sore back from this. Whoa, this is crazy. I should not have worn my hat in here. Oh shit. Oh wow. Oh, my legs are taking a beating here. Oh, fuck me, dude. Oh, shit. This is the end of the tunnel into the Great Pyramid. What an experience, though. What an experience. Fucking awesome to be here. Oh, this is so fucking cool. Oh my god, what an experience that was. Far out. That was nuts. Bit of a struggle to get up and down there. Down actually being surprisingly more hard in that little stairs where you had to crouch. Crouching down and leading forward is pretty, it's actually pretty tough. It was tougher going down than it was coming up in some parts. Oh, but fuck, that was worth it. If you ever get a chance to come to Egypt and visit the pyramids, make sure you go inside the pyramids. Absolutely amazing. An experience I cherish for a lifetime. Yeah.
And then we discovered these tombs last year.
Wow, they were discovered last year. All these tombs.
Discovery, yeah.
Whoa. cool. So many. They're still digging more.
Yes, 40%
Yeah.
from the tombs which is still underground this area. So we have around 60% underground.
So this is the door on the inside. See the hinges? Hinges up there? And these are the doors. Double doors here. How mad is that?
Our way through the colonnade. This one we call it a colonnade. With 40 columns each side. So, as the two sides. So, 20 columns each. What's the function of the colonnade? Come to show you. Okay, so this is a colonnade. 40 columns, 20 columns each side.
Yeah.
With 42 empty space like this. Okay, so here we have 42 empty space.
Yeah.
Between the columns, by the way. 42 empty space. What's the number 42? It refers to the number of the states of Egypt at that time.
Oh, okay.
So the ancient Egyptians, they divided the country into 42 states.
Yeah.
And each state has a local god.
Yeah.
So there were 42 local gods. Okay, so the original height of the columns, and as you can see apart from the original ceiling,
Yeah.
which takes the design of the large bar face.
So this is the step pyramid. It is the first ever pyramid apparently being built in Egypt, or in the world. In the world, maybe? In the world, maybe.
Not maybe.
Not maybe. In the world, okay.
In the world.
First pyramid, and you can see it's got, that's why they call it the step pyramid, because it's got steps going up. But then this one over here, in the distance, I don't know if it comes through on the video, but they that's the first true pyramid, because it's like got the same sides and there's no steps or anything. That just goes up normally as a pyramid would. What was that one called again?
Senefru.
Senefru.
King Senefru.
King Senefru.
And the right one, this is the red pyramid.
The red
which
pyramid.
Considered as the first true pyramid in Egypt.
Yeah.
The left one, the bent pyramid.
The bent pyramid, yeah.
Both were
Left
built
one.
by the same king, King Senefru.
Wow.
Except for this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because the king is naked inside. So. Okay, so the king changed his clothes.
Yeah.
And then he came out running. And as I told you, why running? Just to appear in front of the Egyptian.
Must be strong, yeah, strong man.
That's why they built for him this wall in a round shape to run around it.
Oh, graffiti. I think he said from 300 BC. I think there was like a statue here, but they haven't found anything. This here has got a king statue in it. It's like slanted. The whole building is slanted. Yeah, see how it's all slanted, and so it faces a North Star. You can see the statue in there, sort of. But maybe in here, you'll see it a bit better. Yeah, how cool is that? That's awesome. It's been sealed up. all my yummy food at the place. So this is my apartment. Nice big kitchen. Wash machine. Yeah, we have a decent view. Off in the distance, I've taken a photo. You can see the Saqqara pyramids. They're a bit. It's not the most clear day. There's a bit of dust and pollution in the air, but through my phone camera, I could zoom in and see, yeah, the 3 pyramids. This is what I paid the room for. This is why I chose this place. Drum roll, please. Have a look at that view. Seriously, it's got to be the best view in Cairo, honestly. You can see 7 pyramids or something like that from here. So obviously you've got the 3 main ones, and then there's 3 smaller ones right in front here in between the two bigger pyramids, and then to the left you can see like another one next to the smaller pyramid, which is pretty cool. So from this apartment you can see something like 9 or 10 pyramids in total, which is bloody awesome. Like, how cool is that? Bit of a rough area here, honestly. Even downstairs, I'm coming in and going up the stairwell. I'm on the 9th floor. Yeah, it's a bit rough where I am, but you know, it is what it is, and for this view, I can't really complain. Look at this building here. Oh, look at the little goats. Oh, look at them just running around the abandoned building. There's a lot of those abandoned buildings here. How freaky does that sound? That happens like 5-6 times a day. It happened at 4:30 AM this morning, and I woke up and it freaked the shit out of me. So I didn't manage to get any video recording of the night show, the pyramids, but I managed to grab a couple of pics. So what happened was there was a malfunction at the pyramids, because you could see the lights coming on and going off. I happened to get, a couple of pics at night of when they were like testing the lights and got them. But yeah, unfortunately I didn't see the actual full light show while I was there. Pretty bummed out, but this means I'll have to go back again and experience it at some other point. Just arrived at Sphinx International Airport. New airport that opened near Cairo, I think last year. So I took a video from a bit further away to get a view of the whole place, and a policeman pulled me up. He goes, no, you can't record. I'm like, what do you mean? And he's like, oh no, you got the police in the video recording. And he demanded for me to delete it. So I had to open the camera up and showed him that I deleted it. They're pretty crazy, so they're pretty full on here with that sort of stuff. But anyway, lucky nothing worse happened. So yeah, let's go check out this international airport. So just got to my gate. Yeah, Egypt is crazy. I don't want to speak too loud, but Egypt is absolutely crazy. They have these multiple checkpoints right next to one another, on the roads, especially going to tourist sites. Checkpoints 10 meters from 15 meters from each other. Pretty crazy. I'm not even sure if I'm allowed to be filming here. They're very, very cagey with stuff. See how we go. But yeah, this is the new Sphinx International Airport. It's pretty nice. Not much to it though. There's not many things open. So, yep, police told me to stop filming in the airport. As I was saying, Egypt's a weird country. It's different than anything I've experienced. Probably other people out there have had, you know, similar experiences and stuff, but I'm not really sure what to say, like, because my emotions have fluctuated, like, quite a lot throughout the whole trip, you know, from landing and you know, seeing those magnificent structures to, you know, being hounded by locals. It was an experience to have, I think it's really hit me being in that place. As you can see, I'm on the plane now. I was hounded by locals and then, you know, trying to, like, force you to buy something, or, you know, whether it be, you know, the taxi trying to rip you off with a tip, or you know, prices or whatever, like they're trying to rip you off. Like, when you hear, like, things like that, like, especially Australian currency and stuff, but I never really felt unsafe. Even in the last place I stayed with the beautiful view, it's like, it was a rough area. You know, I went down there and, like, had a look around, and yeah, I didn't really want to film down there. I didn't think the locals would appreciate, you know, some outsider filming their sort of ghetto area and things like that. Out of respect for them, I didn't want to film it, but, you know, there's some sort of photos and some videos from the balcony that I took that'll give you an idea, but I didn't really want to get in their faces about it. Never felt threatened. Like, they're pretty, like, gentle people and friendly people and stuff. Like, they'll never do something for free, like, just to be nice, but they're generally just nice anyway. Like, if they do just, you know, want to take a photo of you or this and that, like, they will demand money. Like, you know, it's how they get by. Like, they're never really done unsafe, but not bad people. They're not going to pickpocket you, you know, like in some other parts of the world. Just trying to survive, you know, they're going about their day. They're just trying to survive and get through, which must be really tough for a lot of them, you know. There's such a big gap between the poor and the rich in that place. But I won't get into the politics and things like that now. We'll create another video, just my sort of honest, I'll go into more depth about my honest opinion and views of Egypt and being there for, you know, 10, 11 days. You know, a bit of a longer video, like, it's going into more depth about things. Keep an eye for that, but yeah, just wanted to say, yes, weird experience. Some of those places are a weird experience, you know. Please tell me, I filmed inside the airport, you know. I don't know why. I ended up meeting a person there from the UK who's been living there for 6 years. We got to chatting, and then things that might have been because I hadn't finished the airport and like that. Yeah, it's just funny, really weird. I'm thankful that nothing bad happened there. You know, it could have gotten worse. You know, it could have made my life a bit of hell. So, but they didn't go, you know, last about it. They just said, no, just what they felt doing. So, Egypt, yeah, from down here to up here, and then back again, and then up again. Yeah, amazing trip though. Experience is something that I hope and I probably won't never forget for the rest of my life. It's really awesome, actually. Some bad parts and stuff, but I reckon, like, down the track in the future, I'll look back at it. It'll be something that'll hopefully live forever. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next location. All the best. Cheers.